All right, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Trey B Fishing. Out here on an urban mission today, fishing this little creek system that runs through town. I've caught some good bass here before. I ain't got but like an hour and a half to fish, so I'm gonna give it a shot. See what we can get. I got the Corrado DC 17-pound CXX. It's the Iowa Procaster 80, 7'1" medium heavy. All right. Fishing in the rain again, never fails. There's a bass. Let's go. Little bitty guy. He smoked it though. That's a good sign. There we go, little bass in Urban Creek. Gear recap. Whenever fish bowl in the intro, but using a belly weighted 3/0 swim bait hook. It's got the little twirl on. This is a Caffeine Shad in the watermelon red flake color. I just pitched it right there against that dam, and I was kind of bringing it back in at the top, and he up and grabbed it. But that's cool. That's a big one. Oh yeah, oh yeah, it's a big one. Oh gosh, for this creek anyway. Oh, that was perfect. I'm trying to play him out. I don't want him to jump my hook off. Damn, he don't want to give up. That's like a 3-pounder. Chill. Dude, this is the biggest bass I've ever caught in this creek by far. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Holy crap. I'm gonna have to throw this dude on the scale. Now I want to let him go back where he was so he can continue to eat whatever he was eating there. Oh yeah, 284, 282. Yeah, it's dope. All right, see if we can get a good release on this girl. Beautiful fish. There she goes. Thank you, fish. That was awesome. Casted right there on the edge of that current. Let it sink. My line freaking set the hook. I could tell it was a pretty good one right away. Didn't think it was going to be close to 3 pounds though. That's really big for this little. I mean, look at this creek, guys. Little skinny creek. All right, well, y'all check out this cool spot. See if we can get a cool fish out of here, huh?